Hello friends, my name is Sprunki Oren, and we want to learn my design together on the Hayart channel. And first, we draw my two eyes. Pay attention to how Vana draws them. After you finish drawing the circle, draw a line across the center from left to right. Then, below that line, draw a half circle. And now, draw my head, headphones, and hair. And if you have any questions about this Sprunki design, feel free to ask me in the comments. And now, draw two eyebrows and the mouth. And now we've reached the final part of the design, my two antennas and my body. And now, draw the lower hair on both the left and right sides of the head. And my design is now finished, and it's time for coloring. And now, color my eyes black. And then color the headphones light orange. And if you enjoyed Vana's Sprunki design, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now, use orange to color my entire body. To create the color orange, you simply need to mix the two colors red and yellow together. These two are primary colors, and when they are combined, they produce the color orange.
The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These three colors are the base for creating all other colors. From now on, if you want any design, just tell us in the comments so we can create it for you with Miss Vanna.
And we'll be back soon with new designs. Goodbye!